Look at this pretty princess. Look at this princess girl. Her name is Gray Girl, and she is about 4 years old. She's got like a medium length coat with a beautiful fluffy tail. She's absolutely stunning. She is just beautiful. She and her brother Tom, way over there, lived in the same home. They were originally adopted through the shelter, and they had to be returned because the family could no longer keep them. So we're going to find them. I know it's sad, but we're going to find them new homes, and they're going to be happy again. They've only been here about 5 days, so they've been through a lot. She's still a little scared because they came here after being in a home. She was in the home for 3 years, and Tom was in their home for 4 years. But they just got here a few days ago, and then they had to go to the vet and get their vaccines updated. There's Tom. There's her brother Tom. Look how handsome he is. He's got those beautiful big gold eyes. But they're both really friendly. I mean, he's super friendly. He's adjusting a little more quickly. And she will too. She came right out. As soon as I opened up the crate that they were in, she did come right out to see me. I mean, she's just a little more scared. I mean, they've been through a lot. They just lost their family and their home, and now they're in a strange place. And then they had to go to the vet yesterday, so they've been through a lot. But she's just the prettiest thing, and she's so sweet and soft. You are too. You're sweet and soft too, but I already took your video. So that's Tom, and Tom is declawed, and he is about 4.5 years old. She's not declawed, but that's okay. She's a good girl, and she's about 4 years. They're about the same age, 4.5 years old. Oh, she's so pretty. You gonna open your eyes for the camera? Huh? She was just sitting on Cheryl's lap earlier. She's really a sweet girl. Can you open your eyes? There she is. You know, just for that second, you kind of look like a cat we had named Legend. You do kind of look like Legend. Look how pretty she is. So we really like to find these two a home as soon as possible, because they don't deserve to be back at a shelter again. They deserve to be in a home. Well, they all do, but we just feel bad for them that they had to come back. There is a special rate for adopting multiple cats. If you want to adopt both of them, they seem to get along great together. If not, we can separate them. I don't know how they are with the other cats because they just got here, so they're not in the cat room yet. But being they seem to get along so well with each other, they're probably okay with other cats too. Okay, well, this was kind of a pretty mellow video. You look like am I boring you, Gray Girl? I'll get some more video of them, maybe when they're walking around, when she's walking around. Okay, thanks for watching. Well, here's some video of Gray Girl actually up and around. Hi, honey. Hello, pretty princess. Hi. Hello. Oh, she's just beautiful. Look how pretty she is. She's so pretty. She's so pretty. Yes, she is. She's so pretty. Hi, honey. Hello. How's a little princess? You look like a princess to me. Come here. Hello. Yeah, she's really, really sweet. Oh, honey. I'm so sorry you lost your home. We're going to find you a really good one because you're such a good girl. Yes, you are. She's so pretty. Look how pretty she is. She's so pretty. She's so pretty. Yeah, she's got like that shaggy, medium-length hair. She's got a beautiful face, green eyes, kind of a poofy tail. Solid gray, though. Okay, I just wanted you to see some video of her like walking around. The last video of her was just of her sitting in that one spot. Yeah, you're so pretty. Yeah, she seems like kind of a mellow cat, though. Just a mellow, sweet, loving cat. She'd really make a good pet. And Tom's a really nice cat, too. He's a little more playful, but they're just really nice cats. Yes, you are. Okay. Okay, honey bunch. We love you. Bye-bye.